Hello students, today we are going to start our session with exercise number 3, lecture number 3 of the chapter Rational Equations and Inequalities. These questions are also not very hard questions, normal easy questions, but they are all conceptual questions only. To start with, answer number 9 of question number 9, we have two things to keep in mind. 2x minus x square should be greater than equal to 0, first thing. Second thing, 5 minus x. This side is positive, so this should also be positive. 5 minus x greater than 0. To start with, this gives us x square minus 2x less than equal to 0. So what is this? This gives us x belongs to 0 to 2. And here x should be less than 5. Now squaring both sides, we get both sides are positive, so we can square it. 2x minus x square is less than will remain intact because both sides are positive. X square minus 10x plus 25. Therefore, x square minus 12x, 2x square minus 12x plus 25 is greater than 0. 2x square minus 12x, right? Okay. X square minus 10x plus 25. ठीक है, okay. Now let us start with this. What do we get? X square minus 10x plus 25, 2x minus x square, 2x square minus 12x plus 25. Now we can see that x equal to 12 plus minus root over 144 minus 4 into 2 into 25. That is 200 by 4. So we can easily see that discriminant is negative. Therefore, this easily gives us x belongs to R. So we have to see that where does the solution finally lies. So this is not giving us anything except x belongs to R. So there is no condition actually. So the condition here to fulfill is these two. So final answer is x belongs to 0 to 2. Moving on to next question. This side is positive, so this should also be positive. Answer number 10. X square plus 3x plus 3 should be greater than equal to 0, and number 2, 2x plus 1 should be greater than 0. So this is true, discriminant is equal to negative, therefore x belongs to R. And you can see that discriminant is minus 3, so x belongs to R. For this we get x is greater than minus 1 by 2. Now we will start with the question itself. Domain is okay. Now squaring both sides, we get x square plus 3x plus 3 less than 4x square plus 4x plus 1. Therefore 3x square plus x minus 2 greater than 0. This gives us 3x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 2 greater than 0. This gives us 3x minus 2 x plus 1 greater than 0. Therefore this gives us x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 union 2 by 3 to infinity. So you can see that the first condition is x belongs to R. The second condition is x belongs to x is greater than minus 1 by 2. And the third condition is 3x minus 2 x plus 1, that is minus infinity to minus 1. So we can easily see that this part is not matching with this, so this gets cancelled out. So final answer is x belongs to 2 by 3 to infinity. Please note down. We'll move on to question number 11 now. Now question number 11. This side is positive, so this must be positive. The first thing is 3 minus x greater than 0, therefore x is less than 3. The second part is 1 minus x square greater than equal to 0, that is x square minus 1 less than 0, x belongs to minus 1 to 1, closed. So these are the two preconditions of this equation, and then we'll square it. Squaring we get x square minus 6x plus 9 greater than, this greater than sign will remain as it is, both sides being positive, 9 1 minus x square. So this gives us 10x square minus 6x greater than 0. That is 5x square minus 3x greater than 0. So we get 5x minus 3 into x greater than 0. Therefore, x minus 3 by 5 greater than 0. So you can see that solution is x belongs to minus infinity to 0 union 3 by 5 to infinity. Now let us check one by one. X less than 3. So this part is okay up to 3. Here minus 1 to 1. So we can see the final solution. Finally we get x belongs to, this is the main condition now, minus 1 to 0, minus 1 will be closed, minus 1 to 0, then union 3 by 5 to 1 closed. This is the correct answer. This is question number 11. Sorry, this was not 10, this was question number 11. Now we'll move on to question number 12. Here you can see that this is positive, 13 plus 3x square is greater than equal to 0, x belongs to R. Now we will take this on right hand side and this on left hand side. Therefore 1 minus 2x is greater than root over 13 plus 3x square. Right hand side is positive, so this is also positive. Therefore 1 minus 2x is greater than 0. Therefore x should be less than 1 by 2. So we have two conditions to check: x should be less than 1 by 2 and x belongs to R. No other condition. Only now we have to square it. So squaring we get, by squaring we get 4x square minus 4x plus 1 greater than 13 plus 3x square. Therefore x square minus 4x minus 12 greater than 0. So here you can see x minus 6, x plus 2 greater than 0. Therefore x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 union 6 to infinity. Now we have to check the three conditions: condition number 1, condition number 2, condition number 3. You can very easily see that there will be only one solution for this. What is that solution? This solution is x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2, as this gets cancelled because of this. So this is the correct answer. I hope you must have liked the session today. If you have liked the session, please like it, subscribe it. Thank you very much.